Isn't it ironic? The quality concept is so important, and we now have such an abundance of quality management tools like TQM, Six Sigma, Lean Manufacturing, and yet many organizations still struggle to make sustainable change in their quality output. I believe that the reason for this situation is that we are too focused on the process of quality, not on the act of delivering quality. What do we have to do to change these things? We must change our thinking and make quality a lifestyle choice for everybody. Thus, quality not only becomes a personal attitude or a belief, it simply becomes the only way.